Hello my dear students, how are you? Welcome to my chemistry class. Today I will teach you about one of the most important basic concept of chemistry called valency. You know, valency belongs to atom, valency belongs to ion. The charge of ion is also considered as valency, and valency plays a great role for formula making. It is indirectly linked with the chemical equation. You know, every chemical change can be represented by means of chemical equations, and chemical equation is made by symbols and formula. Formula is made by symbols and valency. So valency in this regard, valency linked to chemistry. Today I will talk you what is valency, how many types of valency you know, how to calculate valency, and with respect to bond or linking to bond, valency also divided into three types: covalency, electrovalency, coordinate covalency. Now back to valency. Okay, valency. You know, the term valency originates from Latin word Valencia. Valencia. What is mean by Valencia? Valencia means to combine. To combine. Actual meaning of Valencia is to combine. Combination, relation with valency. How is it possible? You know, out of 118 elements, 7 elements are stable elements. Remaining 118 elements are unstable elements. These are unstable. On which ground? On which ground? 111 elements are unstable. On which ground? 7 elements are stable. I think all of you know it very well in class 9 or 10. Okay, you know, everybody in this universe, everything in this universe wants stability. How is it possible? The stability of element is possible, or stability is everything is possible when the system, when the substance, when the element possesses minimum energy. If you are in more energy, maximum energy, or in higher energy, you are regarded as unstable. So all the unstable elements must have higher energy. Due to possession of higher energy, they are unstable. Due to possession of lower energy, lowest energy, they are stable. Tale stable elements don't have zeal to combine. They don't have zeal, they don't have affinity to combine. What are that elements? You know it very well. 7 elements are stable. Yes, stable elements are noble gases. Noble gases. You know why they are stable? Stability region hochi octet and duplet. Octet and duplet are the symbol of stability. Octet means possessing 8 electrons in outermost cell. Possessing or keeping 8 electrons in outermost cell is octet. Keeping 2 electrons in outermost cell is duplet. Not outermost cell. This is the exceptional one. You know it very well. Helium. Helium is the first noble gas which only one cell, that is K cell, is completely closed, saturated. On that ground, helium is also regarded as stable elements. If you ask to helium, will you combine? Helium will answer, no, I will not combine like my other members of same family, because my outermost cell or my only cell, K cell, is completely filled. Because of a completely filled K cells, helium don't have interest to combine with other elements. Okay, noble gases, octet or duplet are the region behind the stability. and 118 elements are unstable. Why? They don't have lacking octet and duplet. Dear students, I think you all will clear about it. Lacking octet and duplet. Octet and duplet सेमानकर नाही, सेइथि पाही सेमाने unstable. Okay, ठीक अछि. तले these unstable elements never wants to remain in unstable states. They have dream how to achieve stability. How to achieve stability? Like noble gases. You know noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are stable elements. They don't combine. They don't combine. They don't combine. Semane combine both the noble gases. Kainki? Now they have already octet and duplet of electron in their outermost shell. Now they have 118 elements lacking octet and duplet. These elements have strong affinity to combine and exist in combined state. Combined state. They exist in combined state. Combined state मतलब in compound form. Combined state. You know, combined state. এই মানে exist করছন্তি in compound form. In compound form. Hydrogen is unstable, oxygen is unstable, but in H2O both are unstable. In H2O both hydrogen and oxygen are stable because if you collect ground report, grassroot report, you will most clear about that. Hydrogen in a duplet form and oxygen must be in the octet form. Okay, they don't combine noble gases. Don't combine means do not form compounds. Clear? Compound formation semane karantini except xenon. Except xenon, but xenon will not form compounds under ordinary conditions. Xenon will not form compounds with other elements except two elements. Xenon combines with the most electronegative element in the universe in the periodic table, fluorine and oxygen. You know, in electronegativity, fluorine is number 1 and oxygen is number 2. That's why highly electronegative element can able to disturb the stable electron cloud of xenon. So they combine with xenon to form compounds. But under normal, we are talking under normal conditions. Normal conditions, no noble gases, no zero group elements will not form compounds. Okay. पिलाने आम ए भालेंस डिस्कसन करुचे बर्तमान मुझे तुमको बतैली आउट ऑफ 118 एलिमेंट्स 111 एलिमेंट्स आर अनस्टेबल and 7 elements are stable due to electronic configurations. Every element wants to possess 8 electrons in their outermost shell. So in order to possess 8 electrons in outermost shell, they have to involve in combination. They have to involve in transaction of electrons. This is possible only by transferring electrons, only by sharing electrons. So how valence is defined and how valence is classified, how valence is determined, I will now discuss. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Helium atomic number 2, 8 add kale ame paiba neon atomic number 10, argon atomic number 18, krypton atomic number 36, xenon atomic number 54 and radon atomic number 86. Okay. configuration. First cell will take 2 electrons, neon will take 2 and 8, outermost cell contains 8 electrons, argon 2, 8, 8, krypton 2, 8, 18, 8, xenon 2, 8, 18, 18, 8, sure. Configuration कले तुम मन जानी पारिबो. Helium is first in first period, second, third, fourth, fifth period, sixth period राशि जो तुम्हारा radon. Configuration will be 8, 18, 32, 18, 18, 8. If you add all the magic numbers, you will get the atomic number of radons. 2, 8, 10, 18, 32, 50, 18, 18, 34, 8, 34, 8, 42, 34, 8, 42. Oh, sorry, गोटे खाली extra 18 मु add कर देछि. Sorry for it, dear students. 50, 50, 18, 80, 26 plus 10. Okay. ताले कहीं मु कन्फिगरेशन करिछि. मु कन्फिगरेशन करिवार रीजन कोन? मु कन्फिगरेशन करिकि देखिया को चाहूछि जे octet और duplet, every noble gases have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Clear? Because of this magical configuration, magical positions, noble gases are stable. Stable. Today we call it stable electronic configuration. Outermost shell of noble gases have stable electronic configuration means a state 8 electron in their outermost shell. Helium is the only noble gas जेकि दीटा इलेक्ट्रॉन थाई कि भी डुप्लेट configuration of helium which duplet outermost cell. Only one cell सेटा तारो केस है सेटा भी outermost cell सही cell भी saturated अछि helium केस रे. Clear हेले जे why noble gases are stable. Other elements को देखो जो गोटे सोडियम कंडीशन देखो पिला माने atomic number of sodium is 11. So its arrangement K cell will take 2 electrons, L cell will take 8 electrons, M cell will take 1 electrons. If this is nucleus, this is first cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell. You have to remember this. Outermost cell, K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell. In sodium, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 8 electrons, third cell contains 1 electrons. In case of sodium, this cell will be the outermost cell or valency cell you can say. If you are saying about sodium, this cell is also known as ultimate cell. Ultimate cell. Particularly I am talking about sodium. मु जानि छी पिलाटी कंफ्यूज हे जिवो मु एन सेल ता लेखि कारण मु सोडियम को टारगेट करके बुझौछु वर्तमान. So sodium's outermost cell now contains only 1 electrons. Sodium is unstable. That's why sodium is unstable. Sodium have to possess 8 electrons in their outermost cell. How sodium gets 8 electrons? If you give 7 more electrons to sodium, sodium's outermost cell now contains 8 electrons. But it is not possible. It can't happen easily. कौनसी आटम को जदि अधिका इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांजैक्शन करने को पड़े ता स्टेबिलिटी पाई एटा एक्सेप्टेबल नुहे. इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांजैक्शन इन्वॉल्व विथ एनर्जी चेंजेस. दैट्स व्हाई every atom likes to exchange very less number of electrons in order to get stability. So sodium wants to lose these electrons. This is the outermost electrons. Outermost electrons, or we can say this is valency electrons. Negative charge electrons, E for electrons. Okay. Sodium have to lose 1 electrons. Sodium have to lose 1 electrons. After losing 1 electrons, K cell becomes 2, L cell becomes 8. Now sodium is stable. Sodium is stable but sodium changes to, after losing one electron, after losing one electron, sodium changes to Na plus. Yes, Na plus. If you compare Na plus, loss of one electrons. Sodium status is, electronic status is 281. Electron 11, proton 11, positive charge 11, negative charge 11. After loss of one electrons, sodium ion is formed. Atom is neutral, means total number of positively charged particles, proton, must be equal to total number of negatively charged particles. But when atom loses electron, in order to get its stability, so electron number decreases but proton number remains constant. But if you compare proton number, means positively charged particle increases by 1. That's why loss जेतिकटा इलेक्ट्रॉन हबो तमे स्पेसिस रिजल्टिंग स्पेसिस ऊपर सेतिकटा पॉजिटिव रह. Electrons configuration will be 28. It approaches the configuration of neons. Stable हे गला बर्तमान Na plus, electron becomes 10 and protons remains unchanged. A difference जानि परथबो, positive charge particles is 1 more than the negative charge particle of sodium. So sodium ion is stable. In octet state, it gets its stability, but sodium is unstable. इला माने valence. ये पर्यंत valence definition को जाइनी. मु खाली एतिकी कहली जे unstable elements must get their stability by exchange or transaction of electrons. This will occur in outermost cell. After transaction of electron, atom must gets either positive charge or negative charge. If it is metals, it must lose electrons and gets positive charge, called as cations. If it is non-metals, it must have ability to gain electrons and it becomes anions, negative charge species. Okay. এই ক্যালকুলেশন মু সোডিয়াম র দেখাইলি তাহলে ভ্যালেন্সি কোন? ভ্যালেন্সি ইজ দ কম্বাইনিং ক্যাপাসিটি অফ এলিমেন্টস. মু আউ গোটে এক্সাম্পল নউছি ক্লোরিন, তারপরে তুমি ভ্যালেন্স র ডেফিনেশন জানি পারিব. মডর্ন কনসেপ্ট অনুযায়ী ভ্যালেন্স কো আমি কেমিতি ডিফাইন করিবা এ পর্যন্ত মু যাইনি. মু ক্লাইম্যাক্স কো দেখাইলি, তুমি মানে জানিল যে সোডিয়াম র প্রকৃত এমটা কোন, অক্টেট পাইয়া পাই তাকু কোন করিবাকু পড়ুছি. নাও ব্যাক টু ক্লোরিন. You know atomic number of chlorine is 17. First cell will take 2, second cell will take 8, and third cell will have 7 electrons. This is the outermost cell. K cell, L cell, M cell. Outermost cell is M cell. It don't have 8 electrons. Just short of 1 electron towards octet. So chlorine accepts the electron released by sodium. এই যে ইলেকট্রন আছে সোডিয়াম ডোনেট করছে তাকে ইলেকট্রনস, সোডিয়াম পটু মাইনাস হচ্ছে. কারণ মনে রাখ পিলামানে, ইন কেমিস্ট্রি নো আটম অর নো এলিমেন্ট উইল লুজ ইলেকট্রনস if there is the absence of acceptors. In the presence of, in the availability of electron acceptor species, electron donor species freely donate electrons. So sodium will lose electron only when chlorine or non-metallic species is ready to take its electron. Chlorine after accepting electron कौन है जो Cl minus ताले electron गोटे increase हैला. एटी electron थिला chlorine केस रे 17, proton भी थिला 17. ये neutral थिला बोली ए स्टेट रो ए जिंस अछि. किंतु जेतेबेले गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन सोडियम थारु पाई गला Cl minus हो गला, status will be 288. it is equivalent to argon. Nearest noble gases, zero group elements are treated as the demigod. They are the demigod role model of rest of the elements. 118 elements रो role model होची noble gases. Noble gases is role model को लक्ष्य करिया पई. Why role models are stable? God gifted. a God gifted a stability for noble gases. So chlorine hegala chloride ions. Now chlorine big outermost cell of chlorine contains 8 electrons. Octet hegala, ये stable hegala. Chloride ion is stable hegala. ना टाइम कौन कहे पिला माने? ना टाइम कहिबा chloride ion ना change हिजो. Chlorine gain कला परे ना हिजो chloride. Radical तो पढ़ी बा परे. Chlorine कहिबो तुम माने. Chlorine. ताहले वर्तमान गोटे जिनस हम देखा को पाइले सोडियम आफ्टर लूजिंग 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स becomes Na plus. Chlorine after gaining 1 electron becomes Cl minus. Sodium electron loser, sodium to sodium ion, chlorine to chloride ions electron gain kala और sodium electron lose करेছি. So after logic transference of electrons, cation and anion is formed. According to laws of electrostatic, Coulomb's law, two oppositely charged ions will attract with each other. So sodium ion chloride ions combines with each other to give NaCl solid. In NaCl, Na plus and chloride ions are present. बढ़िया जिनस आयनिक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होची इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड इट फॉर्मेशन होची between oppositely charged spaces there will be a force of attractions and that attraction is known as electrostatic attractions. Bond is nothing, it is force of attraction between the atoms in a molecule. So sodium ion and chloride ions attracted towards each other bind together by bond. Co-bond, electrovalent or ionic bond. Two oppositely charged ion भितरे ये bond formation होची बोली ना दिया है ची ionic bond. जेहेतु attractive force रो nature होची electrical. Attractive force रो nature होची electrical cation anions. That's why the name of bond is electrovalent bond. मु कहीं की bond रो सुधार देली मारो मु कहिस तुमको formula in every compounds atoms are united together. The union of an atom is possible only by force of attractions. And this force of attraction resulted by transference or transaction or sharing of electrons. Clear है sodium combines with the chlorine by losing 1 electrons. So valence of sodium is 1. Chlorine combines with the sodium by gaining 1 electrons. So valence of chlorine is 1. Clear है पिला माने? What is valency? ये भी मु valency को define करूँ. देखो what is valency? What is valency? मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट वैलेंस कहबी एबे जो वैलेंस डिस्कशन आमे करिबा मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट वैलेंस टू डेफिनेशंस जति के डिस्कशन वर्तमान मु करैली से डिस्कशन को लक्ष्य करी के वैलेंस को डिफाइन करिया वैलेंस इज कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एलिमेंट बस combining capacity of elements. Sodium's combining capacity is 1, valence is 1. Chlorine's combining capacity is 1, valence is 1. Both are monovalent. Clear? Oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8. Configuration will be 2, 6. Outermost cell contains 6 electrons. It needs 2 electrons. 2 electrons to complete octet. To complete octet, so oxygen is divalent. 2 electron need करियो. After gaining 2 electrons, it becomes O2 minus. हमें जानी चाहिए chemistry electron plays negative role, villain role. Neutral oxygen atom will have 8 electrons. After gaining 2 electrons, negative charge increases. Means sign will increase. Minus minus O2 minus लिखी पारा O minus minus भी लिखी पारा. This species will have electron 10, proton 8. Neutral oxygen electron 8, proton 8 ओके ठीक अच्छी valency definition हमें satisfy कले combining capacity of elements so oxygen's combining capacity is 2 similarly nitrogen's combining capacity is 3 एबे जीवा मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट अनुसार valency केमते डिफाइन हेछि आउटे ये तो सही मॉडर्न कॉन्सेप्ट रो ये फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन अछि सेकंड डेफिनेशन कोन हेइ पाइबो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स lost gained or shared by one atom with another atom is called valence बस एबे तो मुझे कहली ऑलरेडी गेन आउ शेयर कथा मु कहिछि सॉरी गेन आउ लॉस कथा मु कहिछि गोटे आटम जितिकिटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करिके स्टेबल हबो किंबा जितिकिटा इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करिके स्टेबल हबो किंबा जितिकिटा इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करिके स्टेबल हबो सेटा होची सेही एटम रो वैलेंसी कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एलिमेंट डेवलप्स एलिमेंट्स कंबाइन्स ओनली व्हेन इट इन्वॉल्व्स ट्रांजैक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मींस loss of electrons, gain of electrons, share of electrons. ताले valency concept भाबुची इनिशियल concept पिलाकर क्लियर हेज बनी आउ गोटे एग्जांपल देखौची मीथेन फॉर्मेशंस शेयरिंग concept देखि आमे ऑलरेडी जानिचे मेटल से तो कंबाइन नहीं पारे मेटल नॉन मेटल से तो कंबाइन नहीं पारे नॉन मेटल से तो कंबाइन नहीं पारे बस ये मेटल से तो कंबाइन हेले मेटालिक बॉन्ड दबा आगु हम पढ़िबा बॉन्डिंग रे पढ़िबा मेटालिक बॉन्ड तुम पाए मेटालिक बॉन्ड फाउंड ओनली इन मेटल्स मेटल नॉन मेटल से तो कंबाइन होची आयनिक बॉन्ड एही केस रे हम देखुछे पिला माने इन पीरियोडिक टेबल 3 कैटेगरीज 3 टाइप्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट मेटल्स नॉन मेटल्स मेटल्स all having common aim how to possess octet out of plate आ गोटे कथा मु कहूची एबे जो वैलेंस रे डिस्कशन चलीची पर्टिकुलरली फोकसिंग ऑन एस एंड पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स नॉट ऑन डी ब्लॉक ए ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स ए ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स इनर ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स देयर वैलेंस इज वेरिएबल और मल्टीपल सो वेरिएबल वैलेंस कांसेप्ट के नियारा मु एबे डिस्कशन करूची fixed valency upare fixed valency possessed by s block or p block elements only those elements which have only one outermost shell incomplete or those elements which involve in transaction of electron by one outermost shell so we can expect they are fixed valency means single valency hey par 1 2 3 4 ओके मेटल नॉन मेटल आयनिक बॉन्ड नॉन मेटल कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड्स क्लियर एबे सेमती कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड विषय मु डिस्कशन करिवि ई जो आयनिक बॉन्ड अछि ए जगह रे लॉस और गेन कांसेप्ट तुम जानिलो आ जोटा कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड रे हम वर्तमान शेयर कांसेप्ट जानिबा कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड रे इलेक्ट्रॉन केमती शेयर हेकि रहउची से विषय जानिबा मीथेन केस रे मु देखैबि मीथेन CH4 C गोटे कार्बन 4टा क्लियर कार्बन 4 नंबर्स कार्बन हाइड्रोजन 4 नंबर्स कार्बन 1 नंबर configurations कार्बन एटॉमिक नंबर 6 फर्स्ट सेल 2 outermost cell 4 need 4 more electrons E minus to get octet. Hydrogen's atomic number 1 only one electron belongs to K cell. K cell contains one more electrons, so short of one electrons. Short of one electron towards duplet. That means it requires one more electrons to complete duplet. Clear? How is it possible? केमती एटा पॉसिबल देख मु कन्फ्यूजन करूची कार्बन कार्बन वैलेंस 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एटा को वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन भी कहि हेबो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बॉन्डिंग रे पार्टिसिपेट करे 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स चारि पटे से 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स केमती रखि दे सजेला लुईस स्ट्रक्चर बॉन्डिंग रे कोवलेंट बॉन्ड हो कि आयनिक बॉन्ड हो एटम्स जेते बळे बॉन्ड करिया पई जीवो ता इलेक्ट्रॉन को वैलेंस सेल इलेक्ट्रॉन को तुमे डॉट किबा क्रॉस तारी चारिपट रे पेयर पेयर करके सजीबो पेयर पेयर नुहे सॉरी सिंगल सिंगल जति कि स्टेटस जहां से सिचुएशन जा डिमांड करथो कार्बन देखु जे हाइड्रोजन अछि अपोनेंट तो हाइड्रोजन तो नीड करूची ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सो कार्बन प्लेसेस इट्स 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 4 साइड्स. If carbon have to share with 2 electrons with another carbons, so carbon engages 2 electrons. If carbon have to share with 3 electrons with another carbons to form a triple bond, carbon have to share to put 3 electrons face to face. That depends upon arrangement of carbon, depends upon oppositions or opposite atoms. So hydrogens. Hydrogen have 1 electrons. Hydrogen approaches towards carbon. Blue रखी ब्लू रे देछि कार्बन को ब्लैक रखली हाइड्रोजन शेयर होछि पाखापाखि नहले अप्रोच एटम्स गुड़ाक परस्पर को अप्रोच नहले शेयरिंग रो माहौल आसीबोनी पिला माने एबे शेयर हे जिवो शेयर हे जाई छ ऑलरेडी. Clear? This pair is known as shared pair. Shared pair SP. ताले स्पेसिस टा कोन हो? When one pair is shared, then you will put single bonds. So 4 single covalent bonds are present in methane. Now carbon is stable and hydrogen is stable in methane. How? You know, shared pair is counted towards the stability of both the atoms. In total, carbon shares 4 electrons. Hydrogen shares 4 electrons. So, in carbon's domain, in carbon's region, 8 electrons belongs. 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. In hydrogen region, 2 electron belongs. माने hydrogen duplet हे गला इटी. हाइड्रोजन वर्तमान डुप्लेट मोड रहीगला कार्बन वर्तमान वो मोड रही ऑक्टेट मोड को आसीगला आउटर मोस्ट शेयर माने वर्तमान कम शेयरिंग आफ्टर शेयरिंग कार्बन अटेन्स इट्स स्टेबिलिटी हाइड्रोजन अटेन्स इट्स स्टेबिलिटी दिस बॉन्ड इज नोन एज कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड जोटी शेयरिंग हबो शेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निश्चय से जगह कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन आ गोटे पेयर शेयर ले सिंगल कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड मींस ए जगह दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि वन फ्रॉम कार्बन साइड वन फ्रॉम हाइड्रोजन साइड सो वैलेंस को डिफाइन करिवार थिला शेयर्ड पेयर द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय द एटम्स in order to form covalent bond or for sharing is known as its valency. So what is valency of carbon? Carbon shares 4 electrons. Means valency of carbon is 4. टेट्रा कोवैलेंट कहा जाए टेट्रा valency कहा जाए जेहेतु कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड माध्यम रे सेटा टेट्रा valency को सैटिस्फाई करूची आमे मध्य कहि परिबा कोवैलेंसी टेट्रा कोवैलेंसी. क्लियर? सेमती हाइड्रोजन कंट्रीब्यूट्स 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन टू शेयर पेयर्स शेयरिंग करिया पई ईच हाइड्रोजन कंट्रीब्यूट 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मींस हाइड्रोजन इज मोनोवैलेंट टेट्रा वैलेंट कहले टेट्रा वैलेंसी और टेट्रा वैलेंसी हम टेट्रा कोवैलेंसी और टेट्रा वैलेंसी कोइ दूची नॉर्मली hydrogen shares one electrons, so its valence is one, monovalent you can say. जार valency one थिबो से monovalent हबो, 2 आसिले divalent, 3 आसिले trivalent, 4 आसिले tetravalent. ओके, एबे मु एग्जांपल्स माध्यम रे तुमको कहली लूज गेन आउ शेयर ये सब होची मीडियम जोटा कि एटम रिक्वायर करे इन ऑर्डर टू गेट इट्स स्टेबिलिटी. लूज गेन केस रे आयनिक बॉन्ड इन्वॉल्व रहउछ आउ शेयर केस रे कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड इन्वॉल्व रहउछ. ओके, थैंक यू.